Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Is Basecamp still in business? I'm going to start by giving you a quick answer. Yes, Basecamp is still in business. However, there are some important things you need to know about the company before you decide whether or not to use their product. What is Basecamp? Basecamp is a project management software that helps teams of all sizes stay organized and on track. It's been around for over 20 years and has a loyal following of users. What happened to Basecamp? In 2018, Basecamp made some major changes to their product. They eliminated the campfire feature, which was a central hub for team communication. They also introduced a new pricing model that was more expensive than the old one. These changes caused a lot of controversy among Basecamp users. Many people were unhappy with the loss of the campfire feature and the new pricing model. As a result, many users left Basecamp for other project management software. Is Basecamp still a good product? Yes, Basecamp is still a good product. It has a lot of features that make it a valuable tool for project management. However, it's important to be aware of the changes that have been made to the product before you decide whether or not to use it. What are the alternatives to Basecamp? There are a number of other project management software options available. Some of the most popular alternatives to Basecamp include Trello, Asana, and Jira. So, is Basecamp still in business? Yes, it is. However, it's important to be aware of the changes that have been made to the product before you decide whether or not to use it. There are also a number of other project management software options available, so it's important to compare your options before making a decision. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.